Today we are going to visit Kendriya Vidyalaya of IIT Ropar. Kendriya Vidyalaya is situated in the east side of IIT Ropar main campus. Since 5th lockdown is going in India and also the lockdown effect is going inside IIT Ropar. Now we have almost reached to Kendriya Vidyalaya. In this video we will show you the very attractive view of inside and outside view of this Kendriya Vidyalaya. If the guard allow to go to visit inside this building. This is the front view of KV. Now let's go to the main gate side of this KV. Now friends, from this side we will go inside of this Kendriya Vidyalaya campus and I will show you the full inside view of these all floors. This one is the ground floor of this Kendriya Vidyalaya and this space is available for the gardening purpose. As you can see, the soil are available here. Now let's show you the classroom, inside view of the classroom of Kendriya Vidyalaya. As this one is the classroom, you can see how the classroom is so beautiful looking. And now we are going to the first floor by taking the stairs. You can also see the outside view from the ground floor of Kendriya Vidyalaya campus. Now we have reached to first floor.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby.
Now let's go to the second floor. Now we are reaching to second floor and we have reached to second floor. Now from here you can see the ground floor view. Dear friends, you can see the design. If the rain will happen, the rain droplets directly go on the plants. Now let's show you the outside view from the second floor. This one is the metal rod stair to go top floor of this building. From this floor you can see the agriculture fields and also the NILET campus. You can see this one is the NILET campus. This one. From this side we have entered inside the KV building. Dear friends, from the KV building you can see the beautiful view of the NILET campus. You can see. Now let's go to the top floor of this building. Now we are on the roof of KV, Kendriya Vidyalaya. As you can see the view from this KV to nearby places. Using this ladder, let's go to the topmost floor of this building. Oh, this one is the top floor of KV IIT Ropar building. In next visit, I will go there. I suppose that this one is the best design of this KV campus. Dear friends, from this top floor of this building you can see the view of the nearby mountains and the agriculture fields, also the NILET campus and that bridge, that far away, that bridge. This one is the second floor view from the third floor. This building connected with a wheelchair ramp. Generally, the handicapped person gets benefited from this wheelchair ramp. Also, this wheelchair ramp is usually connected from the first floor to second floor to third floor, and the heavy equipments and some vehicles can be go from ground floor to first floor or second floor or third floor. This one is also very good design of KV IIT Ropar campus. Now friends, I am going to finish this video as I have shown you all the inside view of this Kendriya Vidyalaya campus of IIT Ropar. Dear friends, I suppose the construction work in this campus is almost finished. Might be after finish of this lockdown, the Kendriya Vidyalaya will start working within a month, and the admission process will start for the KG students. Okay friends, thanks for watching.